What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are here finishing up second 2.0 LS motor on the Z. And we just got all the cooling system loaded up with water, fix a couple of leaks. But if we can get everything cleaned off of it and the interior cleaned out where we both can sit in it, should be 100% good to go for a little trip around the block real quick, you know? So
first, let's get the computer on and see if we can.
Yeah, so let's go, and I already have a scanner loaded up, so I'm gonna chill over here, get a scan going.
Key on.
Give me a second. It's being weird. Scanner's being stupid right now. All right, key on. Come on. Alright, fuel pump on, start cranking. What was that?
Oh, wow, 7 projects. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I don't know how much you can hear me right now, but it's sounding healthy. Everything's looking pretty alright right now. Hey, give it a little bit of a rev. You don't have any rev? Alright, this is all smoking because you just got the heat wrap on. It's still wet from where it got everything, so. But
Ceramic coating.
the hat cook's muffler definitely makes a difference. I don't know if you all were able to see that in the beginning or anything. The tune was actually looking pretty spot on. The AFR commanded was 13.5, which isn't bad, but it said the throttle body was commanding a 16.1.
I think we need to try and do where we sit in here and actually calibrate it.
Yeah, probably real quick. So, yeah, we're gonna go calibrate the throttle body real quick because that electric throttle body wasn't sounding the best. But if you guys are new to the channel, this has been in the works for the longest time. We're fighting with what we thought was the tune because like the AFRs were really weird commanded, but I mean, it turns out, well, check out one of our older videos. There was a different LS that was in here that went bye-bye, so check that video out. I'll throw it up top. So yeah, we're gonna recalibrate this throttle body real quick, move some of this junk out of the way that we were working on it with, and then hopefully go for a drive. So we'll be back in a second.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, dude, so why is the throttle body right here torn apart?
Because it won't work.
And yeah, guys, I don't think we're gonna be able to make our drive today because still kind of hood off situation, and if you look up here, kind of really bad weather wise, so don't. Yeah, I mean, we got a hood, but we'd have to cut a hole in it for the exhaust that's sticking up, you know?
So, is it finally raining? Yeah.
Oh, dude, as soon as you said that, it finally went out and started raining out there. But we were just messing around with this. You saw in the previous clip, it was going and idling and running. Holy crap. That literally just started. Like, it's bad right now. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but if you guys remember in the other clip, it was going and idling and everything, but then yeah, what was the oil pressure making? Like it was making
Cold, it was in the 50s, and then at idle warmed up 46 steady.
so at idle, when it was idling, it was at 46. So this motor's put together well. The tune, everything I was seeing on the scan was good from it, but dude, it is what it is, you know. We just gotta figure this out. It's probably just a wiring issue somewhere, but strange stuff. But in case
Does
you've
it
never
matter?
seen,
Do you think about that triangle, that arrow?
honestly, I don't think so. I mean, if not, it's weird. But yeah, it was really strange. Like me seeing the inside of this too, the electronic, because there's a motor for it to turn this.
Yeah.
And then that keeps that there. But then you have your TPS sensor in there too. And then that's just the power for the motor right there. But there's like an insane number of pins for this, and it's kind of dumb
Not what we were expecting.
to do.
Well,
with this.
I wasn't expecting it to look like a freaking clock.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. But so what's the plan with this then? So are you going to start chasing wires, or what's up?
I don't know. It's not wires because it's operated fine before.
Yeah. So
Basically, what it's doing is a low power mode.
yeah, and Tony wants to blame it on the tuner for some reason.
And I don't know why it would be low power.
And I don't know
kicking
why it would
itself
be in the tune at all, especially because it was idling fine too.
Yeah. Well,
But-
it was idling fine, but still the pedal wouldn't
Work,
operate it.
which is weird, dude. It's storming outside. Literally 2 minutes ago, it was good. Oh dang, dude, that's sketchy. But hey guys, you got anything else for the people? Are we doing anything else?
As of right now, I mean,
No.
I'm definitely pleased with how fast we had it turn around. So now it's just figuring out the little the wire demons.
Yeah, the gremlins.
Yeah.
Hey. But other than that, guys, I'll go and put a link up right there for our giveaway video. And our giveaway video, guys, we're giving away a Chemical Guys detailing set. So hit up that video, read the rules on that. Other than that, hit that thumbs up button. Comment on this video if you like how the 280 sounds right now. And then, hey, just hit that subscribe button. But other than that, Deedle Bob, Tony?
Did you say deal, Bob?
Yeah, I said Deedle Bob.
Peace out, guys. Like and subscribe.